Hi my dear student, once again welcome to our online classes. Last class we will discuss and we have studied the books, we have read the first chapter from home to, okay. Now it's time to little bit we will go for our previous knowledge, we will check our previous knowledge, then next the time to think, okay. So first chapter open everybody. We have discussed, I also told you, from home to, there is another boy like child you, his name is Pritesh Patpatia, explorer and traveler. In shortly your pet name is PPET, means pet, we will call pet, yes or no. So how he is very interesting to know about new things and to explore new object or to explore new places. So like this we have studied about from his house to locality, then city, okay, then comes under state, country, Asia, then world or earth, solar system, galaxy, lastly universe. That means that our house, that means our house is comes under this. You look at here student, this is our universe. Here you can see this is our universe. In that universe all things are including in this universe, understood? Means our home to from our galaxy. So all the things are including in universe. That means the universe is very so big, we cannot imagine. In this universe, inside the universe, everything are existing. Means I told you very shortly, universe is where everyone and everything exists. Everyone means all peoples and animals and other or living organism, and everything means all non-living things like other object material are exist in this universe, yes or no. So this whom all are comes and solar system, earth, Asia, locality, state, countries, galaxy, up to galaxy, from home to galaxy, these all things are including our universe. So understood, I already have said these things. And Pritesh Patpatia, I said his address is given. Pritesh Patpatia, look at very carefully, Pritesh Patpatia, explorer and traveler, his name, and his address B13 Millennium Tower, Alkananda, Bhopal. His home is Bhopal, okay, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal, in capital his home. And India, Asia, country is India, and continent Asia, world, he comes under world, and Asia comes under world comes under our earth, world, our earth comes under solar system, our solar system comes under Milky Way, at least our solar system comes under universe, lastly universe. That means all the things up to this are comes under universe, okay. So and I have also told what is universe, okay. See, universe is where everyone and everything exists, means all the things whatever you are observing in around us, or whatever things object from small material to human beings, all things are exist in our universe. So lastly he smiles, it is confirmed that he is a part of the universe, yes. So how the pet or Pritesh Patpatia is telling, wow, universe is so big, okay. Like this we also think we are also the part of our universe, yes or no. So he smiles and confirms that he is the part of the universe, yes. Everyone is the on earth, or everyone is a part of our universe, yes or no. And I also told about the sky, the area above the earth in which clouds, sun, moon, stars, etc. can be seen, yes or no. Can you think of the, he has missed out of this figure and add to the list. Here there are two figures is given, you have to think which in this figure which is missing, okay. You have to write down here down, Okay, down you have to write down. So I told you all things about this, what is universe, what is Milky Way, what is solar system in through our video. Okay, so once again I am just reminding you, and then you have to watch the video, you have to read the books, and you have to write down the all answer. Now we will come to our the Milky Way. You see that picture, the part of the sky that is visible to us is just a very teeny part of the universe. Okay, it is the part of the sky, it is a small part of the sky. You see here very small teeny part is visible of the universe, it is a part of our universe, but you see very small stars are visible. Okay, here is given buzzer round. Why can't we see the earth in the sky? Okay, why can't we see the earth in the sky? Because we cannot see the sky in the. He is telling, why can't we see the earth in the sky? See, because we are living on the earth surface. Okay, from our earth surface to, if you look up, then we will see the visible the sky. Yes or no? So the sky definition is, you see, the area above the earth in which clouds, sun, moon, stars, etc. can be seen. Understood? The area above the earth in which clouds, sun, moon, stars, etc. can be seen. Because here he is asking, why can't we see the earth? Why can't you see the earth in the sky? Because we are living on the earth surface only, so that we cannot see the sky in our earth. See, I am telling, it is the globe. I told you before. You see where our India is there. See, it is our country, India is there. You think it is Karnataka, we are staying here. Means this is whole globe is our earth. This is the earth surface. Okay, this is the earth surface, and the earth surface, there are continents are there. In Asia continent, our country comes under Asia continent. In country India, we are staying like Karnataka or Madhya Pradesh or Kannada or Tamil Nadu or Odisha or Andhra Pradesh, anywhere we are staying. We are staying on the earth surface. So from earth surface, if you look at up, we can see the clouds, suns in daytimes. That is called sky. So we cannot see the earth because we are staying on the earth. Okay. So that he is telling, why can't we see the earth in the sky? Because earth is a surface, it is a surface. Okay, in that surface we are staying. If you look at being standing on the surface of the earth, if you look at the up, then we can see the sky. Sky is a air part. Okay, where clouds, suns are there. There is not earth, because earth is a surface. This is the earth surface. Okay, it is the surface part. What we are seeing, this is the surface part where we are living everybody. Okay, but it is not sky. From that earth surface to above, that is called sky. So we cannot see the earth in the sky. Sky is different, sky is up and earth surface is down. Okay, like this. If this is the, you see, if this is the sky and this is the earth surface, we are staying everybody in the surface of the earth, not sky. Okay, you go outside of your room and look at up, you can see the sky. Upside is what you are observing in daytime, clouds and sun, these are the sky. And where you are standing now, or where your family or homes are there or other houses are there, that is called surface of the earth. Understood? So this is the surface. This what you are observing, this is the surface, it is the not sky. From that surface to upside, we can say that is sky. That upper part is means sky, where we are seeing the everyday clouds, suns, night time moon and star. Understood? So once again, the Milky Way, I tell you, the Milky Way is called also galaxy. So you see, the universe contains billions of stars gathered together in large group called galaxy. So all the things I told from through the video. Okay, once again I am just repeating, you just listen carefully. The universe contains billions of stars gathered together in large group called galaxy. In galaxy, the star, planets, dust and gas are held together by gravitational attraction. In galaxy, the star, planet, dust and gas are held together by gravitational attraction. Okay, our solar system belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Pet is satisfied, means Pritesh Patpatya and explorer and traveler is satisfied, he belongs to the Milky Way galaxy also. Means we all are, when we all are belongs to our earth, our earth is belongs to solar system, then our solar system belongs to our galaxy. That means we are indirectly or directly also we are belongs to our galaxy. So Pritesh Patpatya, explorer and traveler is satisfied, he belongs to the Milky Way, okay, galaxy. We are also belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, understood everybody? And the solar system, I told you what is solar system. Look at very carefully. Near outer edge of our Milky Way galaxy, our solar system was formed. It consists of a medium sized star called the sun. So sun is the sun, it is very hot, where we are getting light every day. Okay, you know the sun and the 8 planets there and their moons and the dwarf planet, asteroid, comets, meteors, gas and dust. So these all are including our solar system. All the things I already told in through video. Okay, just now I am reading the books, you just relate and remember what I explained in video. Okay, so Pritesh is getting more excited. So Pritesh is getting more excited. He lives on earth, which is planet, and his planet belongs to our solar system. So Pritesh, that boy is very excited, means he lives on the earth, and that our earth or planet is belongs to our solar system. See that picture, it is a solar sun, it is very large and big and very hot also, which giving light in our daytime, and there are 8 planets are there. In the 8 planets our earth, it is our earth where we are living. You see, in that planet we are living, that earth I live here, means we are living on that planet. All peoples, human beings and animals, all things are living on that earth, not other planet. Okay, life can exist, only survive, we can survive in that planet, that is called our beautiful planet earth. Okay, so in other planet life cannot exist. Understood? So our planet is comes under our solar system. His connections are failing in space. He rewrites his address backward. Okay, here how last class also I told you how we are belongs to our universe. Like this, he rewrites his address backward. See here, Pritesh Patpatya, he comes under universe, yes or no? Backward. Universe also, in universe who will comes? Milky Way comes under universe, this is backward position. Okay, and Milky Way also, in Milky Way who will comes? Solar system. In solar system who will belongs? Earth. That means first earth where we are living here, that earth is comes under that solar system, and solar system comes under Milky Way. Okay, galaxy, and that galaxy is comes under our universe. Understood? Lastly, Pritesh Patpatya, how he is belongs under our universe, okay, or galaxy or our earth or our solar system. Like this, we all are belongs to our solar system, solar earth, solar system, Milky Way or universe. We are also in a reverse where comes under universe, Milky Way, solar system, Earth. Understood? So what we have learnt, we will discuss once again. Universe is where everyone and everything exists. I told you, sky is the area above the earth in which clouds, sun, moon, stars, etc. can be seen. Third point, a galaxy is a collection of stars and planets that are held together by gravity. Our solar system belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, our solar system also belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. What I have said in video. Our solar system consists of the sun. So our solar system belongs to our Milky Way galaxy. Then our solar system consists of the sun, planet and their moons, asteroids, comets, meteors, gas and dust. So our solar system consists of the sun, which is a star, and the planets, 8 planets and their moons, asteroids, comet, meteors, gas and dust. So these things I have already told you through video. Okay. So now student, it is time to think what we have to learn. What we have learned from this chapter, now it's time to think, and we have to remind, we have to give answer. What I will ask the question, you have to give the answer, and what are the question is there in our book, we have to discuss now. Are you ready? Okay student, thank you. Yes, everyone ready. Now first question is, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is universe? So first one question is A, what is universe? Can anyone tell me what is universe? Shortly you tell me, because I already have explained everything in this chapter. Yes, very good. Shortly you can say universe is where, in front of you answer is there also. Universe is where everyone and everything exists. If someone will ask, you can say universe is where everything and everyone can exist. Okay. Now question number B will come. Is there anything beyond the universe too? Is there anything beyond the universe too? He is telling that anything beyond the universe means anything is there except universe? No student, because only the universe, inside the universe everything is there, nothing else beyond the universe. Understood? Just I am explaining, you have to go through the all video and you have to go through the books, you have to read again and again, then you have to write the all questions answer in your notebook and you have to practice it, because I already explained in all video. So I am telling you, you have to watch all videos what I have sent to you. Okay. So now question number second, that is, what is galaxy? What do you mean by galaxy? Means what is galaxy? I have said you what is galaxy. So see here, a galaxy is the collection of stars and planets that are held together by gravity. Okay. Question number 2 or B, what is our galaxy called? Who will say what is our galaxy called? Another name of galaxy? Who will say? Very good. That is the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, the Milky Way. Understood? Now we will come to our next question, student. That is third, complete the definition of the solar system. And solar system I told many times, I given definition also to, I already have written what is solar system. So once again I will tell you, our solar system consists of the star, sun, the 8 planets and their moons, the dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteors, gas and dust. I repeat, our solar system consists of the star, sun, the 8 planets and their moons, the dwarf planets, asteroid, comet, meteors, gas and dust. Understood? So this is called our solar system, and the definition already I given. Now also I am only revise it. Okay. Question number 2 you come, and all the fill in the blanks I written, you have to write in your notebook and you have to practice, you have to read. Again and again I am telling you have to read the books. When you will read the books, you will get more knowledge or you will get more information from this topic. Okay. Now come to the question number 2 student, that is label the following. Label the following means the picture is given, we have to write the name of this picture. Okay. So this is the first who will say what is this, what is the name of this picture? Anyone? Very good, that is universe. Means you see here different types of stars and everything is there. That means there is no any specially is not there, any kind of information or any kind of special things is not given. Means it is everything is there. That means it is universe. UNIVERS, universe. Okay. Can anyone tell me that picture's name? What is the picture of this name? What is the name of this picture? Galaxy. Very good, galaxy. I said you what is galaxy. It is a circular shape or spherical shape and full of many galaxies, consist of many stars. Okay, star, planets and other things are together by gravity. So this is the galaxy. Understood? Now who will say it is very easy for everyone? Who will say what is the name of this picture? Yes, anybody first? Yes, that is solar system. Understood? Because sun is there, 8 planets also there. In among 8 planets, our lovely and beautiful planet, that is sun. Sorry, that is earth. Okay, our lovely and very beautiful planet is our earth. So understood? That is our solar system. Now come to the next point. Arrange them according to size, starting from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, we have to arrange the planet according to their size. Means according to their size, how much is it? Okay, how much big or small is it? We have to arrange from smallest to biggest. From smallest to biggest, you might have already have studied in mathematics. You can arrange the ascending and descending number. Ascending means from small number to big number. Like this way, we have to arrange our planet, all 8 planets we have to arrange. Who will come first and who is come smallest, that come will first, and who is biggest, that will come in last. Okay, let's start. That is first one is Mercury, which is near to our sun. Okay, Mercury is the very smallest planet, then Mars, then Venus, then Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn and Jupiter. Understood? I repeat, Mercury first, then Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn and Jupiter. That means first Mercury is the smallest and last Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. So understood student? Everyone clear? Is it clear to everybody? Yes, very good. Now we will come to our question number 3. Okay, that is what is there, we have to read. Write down your address. Write down your address the way Pritesh Patpatia, explorer and traveler, has written and pasted on his door. Okay, how Pritesh Patpatia is written his address on his in front of bedroom. So like this we have to write our address. Means everybody yourself you have to write your address you have to attach in front of your bedroom. Okay, then we came to know how where we are belongs to. Okay, so like this how Pritesh Patpatiya is written his address and he pasted in front of bedroom. Like this we have to write. That means I will tell you, there is a box is given. So first I live in. I live in means where you are staying now. Where is your house? Where is your home? So you have to give your information, your address details. So first I am telling one example. You follow me. Okay. First we will say I live in. Think you are living in Bidapur colony. Okay. Bidapur colony. Plot number or house number 304/12. Okay. Gulbarga, Bangalore, Karnataka. Karnataka is your state. Karnataka is your state and Bangalore is your capital. Bangalore, Karnataka. India is your country. Then Asia. India is comes under our Asia continent. Asia. Then Earth. Okay, or world, Earth. Then solar system. Then galaxy. Then universe. Understood? Once I repeat, first you have to write your address. Means if you are living in Bidapur colony, you live in Bidapur colony. Plot number or house number 304/20 or anything. Bidapur colony, Gulbarga, Bangalore, Karnataka, then India, then Asia, then our world or earth, then solar system, then galaxy, then universe. Understood? So like this way, where we are staying, everybody respective your home address you have to give up to universe. Understood? So this was our topic is called the from home to. Means you see this is Pritesh Patpatiya's name. Okay, first you have to give your your name is you have to give, then your house number, everything from up to universe. Like this, see student, from Pritesh Patpatiya, from explorer and traveler, his name to his home to universe. That is called from home to. We are our last this part is universe, because we all are belongs under the universe, whatever it may be. Okay, so universe is conclude that universe is the so big we cannot imagine it. Okay, so in this universe all the things are exist here only. Okay, so our last destination or so our last belongs we are comes under our universe. Except universe, beyond universe there is nothing. Okay, so everyone, I hope understood. Is it clear to everybody? And in this chapter, so you have to read the books, and what I completed the fill in the blanks you have to complete in your books. Along with in book you have to write with pencil, and in your notebook you have to write with your help of pen. And see and watch the all video what I sent in this chapter. Go through it again and again, watch it, you will get more information. I hope everyone will be understood properly. Is it clear, student? Okay, next class we will go for our exercise part, that is another book is workbook. Okay, so student, today is time up. Now we have to wind up our chapter here. Thank you, student. Before going to wind up, I will tell you one thing, that is you have to subscribe my channel and share and press my bell icon, then you will get all the videos from me. Thank you, student. Take care. Thank you.